Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate fingerprint on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. And then here you can scroll down and then press on password and security option. And then you can select fingerprint unlock. And then before adding your fingerprint, you have to set screen lock if you did not. After finishing, now you can add your fingerprint by touching fingerprint sensor on the right edge of your device. Okay, and then click down when finished. Okay, right now you have already activated fingerprint on your device. That's the tutorial on how to activate fingerprint on Redmi 13c device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.